Hi friends, it's Becky and I've got another quick Advent unboxing for you. This holiday season I have two Beading Advent calendars that I've been opening with y'all. One is the Eureka Crystal Beads Advent calendar, which has 24 little pouches and little gifts. The other one is the Jesse James Beads Advent calendar, and it has 12 of these envelopes with the little gifts inside of it. The Eureka Crystal Bead ones are not numbered, so if you also got one of these, your opening order may be completely different from mine. But I've decided to do an opening every other day with one of the gifts from the Jesse James Beads Advent calendar and two of the gifts from the Eureka Crystal Beads calendar. So I've got day 17 and 18 for Eureka Crystal Beads and day 9 of Jesse James Beads. Now the contents of the Eureka Crystal Bead ones have been like little beads, some crystals, some findings, the type of things that you would usually find in a Eureka Crystal Beads collection, which are usually very beautifully curated bundles full of beads and pearls and crystals, and there are a lot of really great things that you can make with them. The Jesse James Beads one has been a different beading company or artisan maker highlighted with each of these envelopes. And so it's been really fun either getting to know or getting a little more love for some of the artisans and small businesses that make up the beading community out here to open these. So I'm going to start with the Jesse James Beads one. We're on day 9. That means we've got 3 more days that we can do this. Like I said, it's every other day, so it'll be in a couple of days that I do day 10. Let's get this one open and see what we've got in it. There's a little card that has information. And this one is from Jesse James Beads. So the holidays are drawing near. And here we are with another sparkly gift of wonder from the Beady Babes at Jesse James Beads. Behold the treasure of a glistening rainbow crystal chain. You know what? I love Jesse James Beads chains. They do such a fantastic job with chain. Look at this. Like, their chain reacts are one of my favorite things to get when we get really cool chains in the Magical Mystery Bead Box. It is so much fun. Look at this chain. Where's my ladybug dish? I gotta get these colors up close and personal with y'all so you can see all of these little crystals. They are little bezel set rectangular crystals, and they are all these different colors. That is gorgeous. What a fun chain. Oh man. That is a fantastic, fantastic gift. And there's going to be a little video and tutorial that they give us a QR code for to go with it. And a coupon code for people who bought this to be able to purchase stuff at Jesse James Beads. With that, I love this chain. That is a fantastic, fantastic gift. All right, let's check out the Eureka Crystal Beads. We got more pine cone ones. In one of the previous days, I opened up these silver pine cones. And now we've got some gold ones. This is like antique silver and antique gold. It's fantastic because we've got both metal colors in this collection. I've been sorting them into these this photo box so that I have them all together, but these are some of the other things that we've opened up in that Eureka Crystal Beads one, where we've got some findings, some crystals, some pearls, some check glass, some beading thread. It's just been a really, really fun little bunch of beads that we're getting. But let's open up the next day. So that was day 17. This will be day 18. And again, yours may be a completely different order that you're opening it. Aha, more findings. We've got a couple of lobster clasps. All right. So that's some more stuff that we can add to the collection that I am amassing here. I think this was one of the first ones that I opened, this great big cushion stone. All right, so Jesse James beads and Eureka crystal beads. I will put links in the description to both Jesse James beads and Eureka crystal beads if you were interested in finding them. The Jesse James beads advent calendar sold out, but sometimes you can find the same items or something similar at each of the highlighted artisans, and so I will link to the chain section for Jesse James beads. Maybe they'll have more of this there. Maybe they had enough that they could stock and have extras for sale. Usually after an event, if there are extras of things, they'll put those up for sale. So it's still Advent season, so it may be after the event if they have anything to list that's there. If they still have it available with the Eureka crystal beads one, just one word of warning: if you are sensitive to scents, they scented the little packet. It's a really pleasant scent. It's like sandalwoody and really sort of delicious, but if you're sensitive to them, it may give you problems. I've been enjoying it, but you may not enjoy it. So just a word of warning, but there are a lot of really cool items in there. So I have really been loving opening this with y'all, and join me for the next one in a couple days. Happy beading.